following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City. Waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots from 60 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor to 14 nautical miles west of Calumet Harbor, moving northeast at 50 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Northerly Island around 5:10 p.m., Calumet Harbor around 5:20 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.